Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe.
Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 71st episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific, a podcast service of a weekly news summary about and interest to Salesian family in 26 provinces spread out in 29 countries. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, Furnishing Church, DECOR worldwide. The Salesian family news for this week, 19th to 25th September 2021. The Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, popularly known as Salesian Sisters, started their 24th General Chapter on Friday 17th September at their headquarters in Rome. The chapter is scheduled to conclude on 24th October 2021. Sister Celine Dicuna reports from the General Chapter in Rome.
The 24th General Chapter of the Salesian Sisters started off in Rome Generalate with a Eucharistic celebration presided over by former Rector Major of the Salesians, Reverend Father Pascal Chavez, on September 17, 2021. Reverend Mother Yvonne Riongod, Superior General, welcomed the participants and solemnly inaugurated the chapter. Sister Chiara Cazzuola is the moderator of the chapter. There are 172 participants in the chapter coming from all continents, 97 countries. They study, pray, explore and discuss the chapter theme, communities that generate life in the heart of contemporaneity. For the scripture text from St. John's Gospel, do whatever he tells you, guiding them. There are 34 chapter members from Asia and 2 from Oceania region participating at the chapter.
Don Bosco Institute launches first Center of Excellence in Nepal. Father Auguste Pulikal reports from Kathmandu.
Schneider Electric Foundation, the social commitment arm of Schneider Electric France, and Don Bosco Institute Nepal launched a Center of Excellence at Lalitpur, Nepal on 21st September 2021. Minister of Energy, Water Resources and Irrigation of Nepal, Mr. Pampa Bhushal, inaugurated the center in the presence of French Ambassador Designate, Mr. Gilles Bourbao. With state-of-the-art equipment and facilities, the Don Bosco Center will provide vocational training and skill development to some 1,000 youth over the next 5 years in home and building installation, basic automation, home automation, safe and secure building operations, industrial installations, controls and drives. Nepal Don Bosco Society, under the jurisdiction of the Salesian province of Kolkata, India, began its mission in 1992 with the center of Dharan. Then branched out to other cities, including Sirsia in 1996 and in the capital city of Kathmandu with 2 centers, Lubu in 1996 and Techo in 2001. Later, the centers in Barol and Chakargati opened in 2014 in eastern Nepal and reached Biratnagar in 2017.
Pandemic makes Salesians visit children's homes with gifts for Mid-Autumn Festival. Augustine Dofuk reports from Saigon in South Vietnam.
Every year on the occasion of the Mid-Autumn Festival, parishes in Vietnam have many activities to bring joy to the children. This year, amid the pandemic, Salesian Tam Hai Parish took the initiative to go to each of the children's houses in cars, decorated with cute mid-autumn lanterns to give them gifts. This creative and love-filled activity took place from September 14 to September 17, with the accompaniment of the parish priest Father Peter Phạm Quốc Hùng SDB and Assistant Priest Father John Bosco Vũ Tin Dung SDB, along with young people of the parish. The total gifts that the parish distributed to the children was about 100 cartons of milk, 10 bags of Korean cakes for children.
For sanctuary design, statues, church doors and facades, contact Church Art Kolkata, serving bishops and religious congregations worldwide for over 40 years. Our speciality, life-size outdoor stations of the cross, 54 items Lourdes style, and 12 apostles larger-than-life Vatican style. Our latest item, 20 Mysteries of the Rosary, 70 items Fatima style. For affordable church decor and hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil, churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp or Telegram, country code 91, mobile number 9831020945. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. 12th Annual Lecture hosted honoring legendary Italian missionary. Riwaj Diali of the Department of Mass Communication 5th semester reports from Sonada, Darjeeling.
Salesian College Sonada hosted its 12th Annual Verzetto Memorial Lecture in both offline and online mode on 22nd September in the Kalingal Hall. Italian Salesian priest Father Joseph Verzetto was a faculty member of Salesian College Sonada who taught Indian philosophy, ethics, metaphysics, psychology and epistemology. Besides being the college librarian, counselor, postman, fundraiser and a philanthropist, Father Verzetto was also a biographer, literary essayist, film critic, a translator and a religious instructor. He died in Kolkata in 2009 at the age of 82. Mr. Joseph, a business journalist with 10 years of experience as a special correspondent for VC Circle, Hindustan Times in New Delhi, delivered the memorial lecture on business journalism startup coverage in India. Mr. Rai, Father Verzetto's namesake Joseph and a family friend from Gorabari village, where Salesian College is located, had known the legendary priest in his younger days. The presentation being online from New Delhi, Mr. Rai's parents and relatives from Gorabari village joined the event in the college audio-visual hall. Journalism and commerce student and faculty members from both Sonada and Siliguri campus participated online.
Salesian College hosts 10 days training for paramilitary force. Senior Under Officer Shivangi Lepcha, student of Salesian College Siliguri, reports from the camp.
The combined annual National Cadet Corps training camp is being held for 10 days from 16 to 25th September 2021 under the aegis of 16th Bengal Battalion at Salesian College Siliguri. 400 NCC cadets from 10 colleges from in and around Siliguri are participating. The National Cadet Corps is the youth wing of the Indian Armed Forces with its headquarters in New Delhi, India. The officers and cadets have no liability for active military service once they complete their course. Camp activities include drill, weapon training, map reading, and various team building exercises along with social activities. 28 cadets from Salesian College Siliguri are participating in the camp along with Salesian College NCC Coordinator Lieutenant Trisha Chetri. On Monday, 20th September, we had a special session conducted by Principal Father George Tadathil, who divided 400 cadets into 30 groups to discuss and study the preamble of the Indian Constitution. The individual group reflections were shared in public by 30 cadets representing each group. In the evening, we screened a 30-minute film on Don Bosco in Hindi language. The cadets follow their daily schedule, which includes doing morning meditation, morning and evening drill, studying subjects from the armed forces as well as social subjects, and playing games. From 21st September, the cadets were sent in batches to the firing range for weapon firing practice.
Don Bosco Media Network Television features Salesian News Asia Pacific. Station Director Father Michael Macri reports from Shillong.
welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Hello listeners of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. We broadcasted the Salesian News Asia Pacific on Monday at 1 p.m. and had a repeat broadcast at 7 p.m. in our cable TV channel. It turned out to be a hit with 21,228 viewers in these two schedules. Then at 9 p.m. we had a third broadcast during prime time and it reached a number of 41,562 viewers. May God bless you and your Radio Salesian and the Salesian TV teams for your support in spreading the Salesian news. Let us move with the signs of the times.
Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, Furnishing Church Decor Worldwide. In the face of these challenging times, our news reporters, copywriters, anchors and engineers put in their best efforts from home, Sonada, Shillong and Chennai to bring you updates. This episode was produced by Father C.M. Paul, Director of Radio Salesian and Salesian TV. Know someone who would enjoy this podcast, share and inspire many more. For the latest Asia Pacific Salesian family news, log on to www.donboscoindia.com and www.eao.bosco.link. For Sunday reflections, visit Audio Divina podcast at salesians.org.au/podcast.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.